Napier is located in Hawke's Bay on New Zealand's North Island. This footage is from a cruise we did in 2017 on the P&O ship Arcadia. Following a devastating earthquake in 1931, Napier was rebuilt in the Art Deco style of the time. The earthquake occurred at 10:45 on the 3rd of February, killing 256 and injuring thousands. It remains New Zealand's deadliest natural disaster. Art Deco had its heyday between 1920 and 1930. Napier has 140 original Art Deco buildings. The care and protection of these buildings is managed by the Art Deco Trust. So let's take a look around the city. We both love Art Deco. This was just fabulous. The 2017 Tremens Art Deco Festival took place on Wednesday the 15th to Sunday the 19th of February. We were there on the 3rd, so just missed out on all the fun. Elizabeth rather likes this car. It reminds her of the Great Gatsby. On our return to Arcadia, we found an amazing exhibition of vintage cars and people in period dress on the quayside opposite the ship. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, please like and comment. Also consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help.